chance to lead today with the goal from the penalty spot. Burlington goes to the left, and they're back in this. It's 1-1, the equalizer from Meghalaya. They know the job is not yet done. Burlington knew his job, and that is why he had been given the responsibility. And if you think penalty kicks are easy, well, go down the history books and look into matches. There has been plenty of incidents. Is Manba Cooper, the substitute with fresh legs and fresh ideas, gets the better of the defender, and that's a good cross in. Now Sheen, and he has found the target, which he never fails to. Well, it's 3-2 and it's game on here. And from Sheen, look at that. Manba Cooper, brilliant work to get the better of the defender. Everyone missing it, and Sheen, what a finish that. Well, add that to one of the sweetest delicacies of Meghalaya. And that's how sweet that finish is from Sheen Shaktung. Preciseness, curling in, and no chance whatsoever for Satyajit Bortoloy to stop it. We are witnessing a goal fest.